Hello, good day everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making Chinese fried rice. Oh yeah, let's get started. So as you all can see, my people, I've already washed and cutting about my chicken, putting my salt, curry powder, sorry guys, and seasoning cube. I beg my people now, mangi ahead. So I've already put in everything in my chicken. Here is me turning it. So let's go guys, let's wait for this chicken to be ready. So here the chicken is ready. Yeah, Roma, that they come as small. Oh yeah, let's go. So this is me removing my chicken and put it in my air fryer so we can fry the chicken. Here is my eggs. I used 6 eggs, okay, and I added a little salt. This is me steady. I bet turning it, my people. Hey, man, I'll go cut my tongue. So this is our butter that we'll be using to fry the egg. So at this point, you have to turn it so the egg will be scattered. I beg my people, let's just turn it. I don't know that English when they use for this place, but let's go. At the end, at the rice that we want to chop, not be the English. So the egg is ready. The next thing we'll be doing now is our, what do they call them? Our string with I beg anything. When I see this picture, I don't forget the name. I'm not going to cut my tongue, my people. So here is me putting small salt and rubbing it. Okay, so we are going to be frying it with small butter. So we are turning it and it's almost ready. You see, look at the color, it's very beautiful. So after that one, my people, we are going to be removing it from the pot and fry our veggies. Okay, we are using the same pot. So here is me putting my oil in the pot and adding my carrots. So we are going to turn this carrot for like just a minute, then later we put our green beans. Okay, this is our green beans and we are still going to be turning it. And the next thing we'll be adding is our sweet corn. Oh yeah, let's put it and turn it together. The next thing we'll be putting is this our, I don't even know the name, I beg your hand, my people now see. So we are going to be adding this. Then we add our seasoning cube. I beg my people now, Maggi, okay, seasoning cube is you. We add our salt on it to taste very, very nice. At this time, my people, you don't watch this video this year. Okay, let's do this first. So my people, this is my cooked rice that I have in my fridge. So now no say this year the logo be say we not go dey waste anything, we not go dey gree for anybody. So I mean now don't tire of eating rice and stew. So the remaining rice when I get from my fridge, maybe that one wanna see. I can't go wash and again, come put them for inside this ready. But I can't notice say the rice not go dey enough for me and my children. So I have to boil another rice and I add it to it. So now see say I can't change my pot because the thing costs too many. So this is me putting my the sauce when I put before. I beg, I don't know the name. Now sauce, I don't know the name what they call the sauce, but it's written there anyway. So here is me turning it and I added my fried egg and my dish. When I say I don't forget the name, I beg, my brain not the two work, I get headache. So here is me turning it. So my people, if you don't watch this video, reshare. You never like, you never follow, you never share any of my video. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, now let's grow this page together. Make una help a sister. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Florence Basic Health TV. That's my name. Okay, guys. So let's continue on our video. As you do that, my people, may God highly bless you as not the support una get una no mind una know say this is not too easy like that. Especially people like us who not go to school. So we dey try our best and make una support so that make our best not waste. Okay, so here is me turning the rice again, and here our rice is ready. If you make this food for your family, everybody in that family will be very, very happy. So thank you guys for joining and thank you for watching. See you all in my next video. Una abba and happy weekend.